Hydrogen is produced so mainly from wet water through electronics for from natural gas. It is usually stored as compressed gas in liquid hydrogen and used in fuel cell vehicles. One of the biggest advantages for hydrogen is that it is very clean. When used, it only produces water, so it does not cause air pollution. It is also quite efficient and suitable for modern vehicles. However, hydrogen also has some disadvantages. It is expensive to produce and difficult to store safety and accident. There are still very few hydrogen differing stations. In the future, hydrogen is likely to become more popular as technology improves and cost decrease.